Raita is a simple yet delicious side dish that I love to eat with pulao. Today I am making Cucumber Mint Raita. Namaskar, I am Shamalisina. Welcome to Foodie. Today I have one continental cucumber. Let me cut in half. If you wish, you can remove the skin. And now grate it. Here I have some mint leaves. Let me put in the mixing jar. Now in this bowl I have taken curd. I will add 1 tablespoon of curd in the mint and blend them together. Next add salt in the curd and whisk the curd with a fork till you get the creamy texture. Sprinkle a little bit of black salt. Mix it and mix the beaten curd, grated cucumber together. Cover with a lid and keep in the refrigerator. Now when you are ready to serve, sprinkle some roasted cumin powder, but I like to sprinkle some Bhaja Moshla and then serve. If you enjoy this recipe, like this video, make it in your kitchen and tag us on all these social media. We'll meet again. Till then,